Hello and welcome back. I want to present you one of my yearlings. He was raised with the club, and as I mentioned in the first video, my aim or my goal is to start and race distance. So with my young birds last year, my aim was to race them up to 450 kilometers, which was the longest distance that I could race with the young birds. I entered in the race 7 birds. One was gifted, that was lost in the last race. So in this last race, from those 7, I have 4 back. This cock is the first one that came from 450 kilometers, scored in the first 50% pigeons from the race, and he's scored 17th in my section, which was very good in my opinion. Never racing up to this distance, especially with young birds. He had a couple of fights because they keep trying to go in others' boxes, but yeah, I just want to present you the ones that race up to 450. Hopefully this year, as a yearlings, they will do good as well. Good for me means to come from the races and to be able to race the race program that I want to race this year, which is with the yearlings. The aim is to race them up to around 650 kilometers. That's the only way to select my birds, in my opinion. Lovely looking cock. He came in the evening around 7:20. What else I can say about him? He's Van den Abel cross with Koopman. His father won in one loft race at the last race, 500 kilometers in one loft race, somewhere in Romania, and his father won also the prize of 5,000 euros. And yeah, hopefully he will keep the flag up. I'll say. I will present you in other videos the other 4 that I managed to race up to 450 as a young birds. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos. Hopefully we will start to talk about nutrition and what I'm doing for my pigeons. At the moment they are just feeding, they are just on some light food, nothing special. I haven't let them out yet because the peregrine is about to attack one of my hens, so I'm waiting another week. Probably at the 1st of March I will start to let them out. Twice a week they have on their food oregano oil and ginger powder, which, if you'll do a research, is good for coccidiosis and other things. Also cinnamon they are having on their food. They're not very keen at the beginning. When you start to feed them, put cinnamon on the food, but after a while they will have no problem. Cinnamon also, it's an anti-inflammatory, and is also fighting with infections. so I'm trying to keep them on a natural supplements at the moment. They had all their vaccines. I treat them for canker, worms, coccidiosis, and salmonella. Also, I vaccine them for paramyxo and salmonella. So yeah, I'll see you in another video, or you will see me in another video, or my pigeons. Hopefully you'll enjoy, and you'll like to see other pigeons with which hopefully they will start to build my long distance team. All the best and enjoy your pigeons.